Welcome back to Psych Quiz. Some diseases have changed history by killing millions of people. In this quiz, you'll guess which disease it is and how many lives it took. You'll have 10 seconds for each question. Let's see how many you can get right. Which pandemic caused the deaths of approximately 50 million people between 1918 and 1919? Good job! The Spanish flu. Next, the Black Death in the 14th century killed an estimated how many people? Kill 75 to 200 million people. Question number 3. Which disease resulted in about 1 million deaths worldwide in 2016 alone? Tuberculosis. How many people is smallpox estimated to have killed in the 20th century before its eradication? It is estimated to have killed 300 million people. Which pandemic in 2020 caused over 6 million reported deaths worldwide by 2023? COVID-19. COVID has been one of the toughest times in our lives. Which disease is known as the silent killer because it can damage the liver for years without symptoms? Option B, hepatitis C. Which parasitic disease is spread by the tsetse fly in Africa? Sleeping sickness, trypanosomiasis. The Hong Kong flu pandemic, 1968 to 1969, killed 1 to 4 million. Which disease killed the most people in history before it was wiped out? Smallpox, killing an estimated 300 to 500 million people. Which disease is caused by the bite of an infected dog or other animal? Yes, it's rabies. Which virus can cause severe liver damage? It's hepatitis B. Last one. Which disease causes a red rash and is also called German measles? Rubella. Thank you for watching the video. Please share your score in the comments below. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel.